Hello dear traders, you are watching the economic calendar prepared for you by Instaforex TV channel with me, Takhmina Salomova. Early next week, the following macroeconomic events will see the light of day. On Tuesday, the Bank of Japan will announce its key interest rate decision for October. The market does not project any change in the overnight call rate of minus 0.10%. At the previous meeting, the Bank of Japan stood pat on its benchmark rate. In a widely expected move, the Bank of Japan maintained the 0.1% interest it charges on a portion of excess reserves that financial institutions park at the central bank. It also kept its yield target for 10-year Japanese government bonds around 0%. The decision was made by an 8-to-1 vote. The Bank of Japan maintained its upbeat view of the economy, signaling its conviction that a solid recovery will gradually accelerate inflation towards its 2% target without additional stimulus. On Tuesday evening, the U.S. Consumer Sentiment report prepared by the Conference Board will be printed. In October, this index is expected to have reached 120.3 points. In September, the indicator touched the level of 190.8, falling more than expected from a revised 5-month high level of 120.4 recorded in August. Concerns over the impact of Hurricanes Harvey and Irma weighed on investor sentiment. Meanwhile, markets were anticipating the index to drop to the level of 120 points. On Wednesday, the U.S. Federal Reserve will announce its key interest rate decision. Market forecasts that the central bank will leave the rate at 1.25%. At the Federal Open Market Committee meeting on September 20, it was decided to leave interest rate unchanged at the same level. At this meeting, the Fed also announced that it would be beginning to shrink its massive $4.5 trillion balance sheet. The decision was unanimous. There was some discussion between the hawks and doves with regard to a December rate hike, with some suggesting that rates should increase as the labor market has stabilized, while others argued to wait for inflation to reach their 2% target rate. In addition to these events, the following statistics will be revealed. On Monday, retail sales and inflation reports will be issued in Germany. The US will release personal spending data. On Tuesday, China will report on purchasing managers' activity, while the Euro area and Canada are set to release GDP data. On Wednesday, November 1st, New Zealand will publish data on the labor market. The UK and the US will release manufacturing PMIs. You have watched Economic Calendar on Instaforex TV channel. We wish you have a profitable deals. Good luck!